Patriot! I love him. So, hi YouTube, this is my first ever, well, not first ever video, but first ever video I edited. So, not second video I ever edited, but this one just, has more editing to it. And today I'm going to be doing a game review. Now, I know I've done these before, just, now it's the intro and stuff, and some random words that pop up on, pop up, why can I not? Yeah, sorry about that, yeah, speaking of words popping up, first one, tiger, no. Okay, so the game I'm going to be reviewing today is Exploding Kittens. Yes, I said it, Exploding Kittens. Boom, crash, boom. Says on the box, Exploding Kittens, a card game for people who are into kittens and explosions, and laser beams, and sometimes goats. Okay. Now, I've played this game before. It is a really fun game, and I suggest you get it. Now, when we open the box, first thing you see is the Exploding Kittens manual. Instructions, whatever you like to call it. Pretty simple game. Oh, not too many rules. And how do I use special combos and stuff? Yeah, and that's pretty cool. And so I'm not going to teach you how to play it, but I am going to show you the cards. These are some pretty funny cards, actually. Really funny, actually. So you have a couple types of cards. You have special cards, which are just regular cards that say stuff and just have random things here. Like even one was a beard cat for some apparent reason. And there are the fuse cards. So for when you get the Exploding Kitten, so you get another chance. There's the Via Laser Pointer. There's the Via Kitten Therapy. There's also attack cards, but here's the beard cat. Yeah, weird. Yeah, I agree with you. This game is weird. So there's an attack card that looks like this, and it says deploy the 1,000-year back hail. Yeah. Not too sure that back hail that big can be so aggressive. I should say, maybe. And anyways, we have the Via Kitten Therapy, some more taco cats, the Rainbow Laughing Cat. Man, that card is gross. But also, so yeah, it has rainbows and stuff. Now there are some other cards I haven't showed you. I think I've shown you almost all of them though. All the special cards and stuff. So yeah, there's like George Washington thingamajig. Grasshopper that can see into the future. Okay. And I don't really know, and these are the last two cards I had. So I have a skip card. It says engage the hyper goat. Okay, that guy looks way too happy to ride on a goat. And we have the main card of the game, an Exploding Kitten. Exploding Kitten. It's the main card of the game. What can I say? It is literally the main card of the game. No, Exploding Kittens. I don't think there's really much else to this game. Except, I'm just gonna put these instructions behind me just because I can think of it. No, man, the camera. I do not know how to control a camera. Okay. Okay. It's a bad idea. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, there are really no other rules except that this is the original edition. This is the original edition. If you look at it, it actually shows you get the Exploding Kitten, you blow up. And so this is the gist of the game. This is the gist of the game right here. This is the gist of the game. This is the gist of the game. Yeah. Oh, and you're reading that. I'll wait a couple more seconds. Yeah, that should be enough time to delete it. Okay, so I'll just close up the game. Now here's how the game works. You'll just get 5 cards. Someone could just place the skip torn down so they didn't want to explode again. Yada yada yada, all that good stuff. Now that's basically the gist of the game. And overall, I think this is a really good game, actually. I highly recommend you get it. And you will play it with your family a lot. I promise you that. But make sure you're into kittens, explosions, laser beams, and goats. So yeah. Now I think this is Cold Vision, and I really hope you liked my video for this game review and for the Exploding Kittens. I hope it was a little more interesting than the other ones. And so I'll see you next time. Cold Vision out.